Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, we're gonna make some Texas Twinkies.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday in the show. I said it, you heard it.
First thing we gotta do is get yourself some gloves when you're working with hot peppers. Oh, this one's ripped, but we're still gonna use it. Okay? Because you don't want to touch your hand and touch your eyes or go to the bathroom or something like that. So make sure when you're cutting the hot peppers that you use some gloves. You know what I mean? Okay, so what we're going to do with the pepper, we're going to cut it in a T. Okay? So right here at the top, okay? Not too far up, but right, give yourself a nice room, make a nice little slit across, and then you want to make one down, all the way down. Okay? That's how you do it. And then what we're going to do is open her up really carefully, and we're going to pull out all the membrane. Stop what you're doing. Put your smoker on 300. You want to preheat your smoker to 300. So go do it. Go! Go! Once you get all your peppers open and cleaned up, go ahead and we're going to throw them on a pan. We're going to take them out to the smoker and cook them for 10 minutes. Put them on a cooker. Put them on the cooker. Yeah, that. Listen to me.
What? Pads.
Spit it out. You're a big boy. Use your big boy words.
You want to cook them for 10 minutes on your smoker. 10 minutes on 300. You're going to leave your peppers in the smoker for 10 minutes on 300 or in your grill or in your oven. I mean, it depends how you're cooking. You don't have to do this on a smoker, but I am. You know why? That's right. It's my world, and I'm going to do it because it's my world. I got to live it. Eh? Anyway, so cream cheese. Make sure it's soft. Let it sit out for a bit. Boom. You get your cream cheese, right? Ooh, nice and soft, okay? Nice and soft, better than last time, huh? Okay, so we're going to season it up. Again, you can season it up however you want. This is how I'm doing it, okay? Again, the measurements, I would say teaspoon of each, I guess. Others, just maybe a half. But, guys, it's so easy. Just do like a nice little covering. See that? We'll do a nice little covering of that. Okay, see that? That's all you want. It's a nice covering. I mean, come on. I closed my finger in it got pinched in the thing. Got pinched in the lid over there, huh? So we got some chili powder. Again, I'm just going to cover it. Look at that. Look at the cover. Look. Like the snow, huh? See? You want a nice little covering, right? I'll tell you which ones you got to be careful with. The cumin. Always got to be careful. Because a little, what I say, a little goes a long way, you know? So let's give it a little boom, huh? All right, now, chipotle powder. If you go overboard with the chipotle powder, it's going to have too much of a smoky taste, you know? Nothing crazy. See that? Nice little covering, all right? So garlic powder, I mean, hey, what am I, Italian over here? They don't call me the meatball for nothing, huh? So we're going to give a nice little covering to that. Dinga. Now what I'm putting in this that I didn't do with my pig shots, onion powder. Some nice onion powder. Give it a nice little bit. Nice little bit, huh? Boom, right? Now, can't do anything without my white pepper. I love white pepper. Boom, boom, boom. Huh? Now we got all that in there. Some pepper. Some regular pepper. Not too much. All right, and we got a nice pinch of salt. Boom. That's it. Now you're gonna mix like we did last time. But this is nice. See that? You just kind of mash it all together. Look at that. Very nice, huh? give it a little taste. A little bit of salt, a little more salt. Alright, so now you got your cream cheese all mixed up. Just a pinch, that's it. And that's all we're going to use. We're not going to put it on top. You don't have to put the cheese, but I have to. I mean, it's just white cheddar and cream cheese. Cream cheese and white cheddar goes together like
Lamb and tuna fish.
Lamb and tuna fish?
Maybe you like spaghetti and meatball?
lamb and tuna. What's the matter with him, huh? Did you ever have lamb and tuna? I never did. Well, maybe it's a thing, who knows? Hey, whatever taps your toe. Again, it's your world, you do what you gotta do. I do what I do, you do what you do, and you gotta put me in the middle, alright? Switchies! Now, again, going to use some cola to bring this down and give it that nice sweet. Use your favorite barbecue sauce. Okay? So boom, you don't have to go crazy. Gotta do the Franks. Just a little bit. Alright, just a little bit. Now, what we're gonna do, and salt, boom, pepper, then mix. Perfect, look at that, see that? That's how I want it. I like it nice and loose. Oh, I forgot to do? I'm over here, I got pig shots on my mind, right? Switchies, again. It's about a cup of chopped leftover brisket. Throw it in. Throw it in. And if you don't have brisket, you got like leftover roast beef, use roast beef, man. You know, but if you want authentic, it's gotta be brisket. Alright, so that's the timer for our peppers. Let's go get our peppers, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna get an ice cold bowl of water, and we're gonna shock them. Alright, let's go. Alright, so what we gotta do is what we're gonna do. So you can use a spoon, you can use whatever you want to use, the stuff is, but I'm telling you, the best thing for me is my hands. It's the easiest way to go. So you need some toothpicks. Again, I like using colored toothpicks so I can see them. So you get your pepper. It's nice and soft, so be careful. Get some of that cream cheese. Stuff it in there like that. Oh yeah. Look at that. Don't be shy with it. Last thing you want to do is be shy with this. Forget it, huh? Now, I think that's good enough. I'm not being shy. Get your bacon. I love it. And then just wrap your bacon around and around and around. Oh, Atlanta. Ooh. Get your toothpick. Stick it through the pepper to hold that bacon. We'll put one on each side. We don't want this to come unraveled. Yeah, huh? Yeah. So, I'm telling you, it's so much easier. Like, look at that. I grab one big scoop with my fingers, just stuff it in there. It's the best way. Your hands are your best tools, let me tell you. All right? Ah, yeah. Get your bacon. Oh, yeah. Yeah, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Wrap it around. Boom, get a toothpick on this end. Boom, bada boom. And get a toothpick on this end. Oh yeah. So hopefully you listen to me. Your oven grill smoker is preheated on 350. We're gonna throw these in here for 30 minutes, and right before we take them off, we're gonna sauce them. The wait is over. I finally get to taste a Texas Twinkie, okay? Like I said, I've been wanting to make these forever. I finally did. So, let's give it the meatball test, huh? Ooh, look at that. So good. Make sure you take the toothpick out. Oh man, it's good crunch on the jalapeno pepper. The bacon is cooked really nice. There's not that much heat. Oh my God, that's so good. Telling you, it was worth the wait. It is so good, guys. Like I said, you could do these for like a little appetizer, let them cool down, slice them, put some toothpicks in them, cut them in half like I did. Oh my God, they were so good with the brisket, with the cream cheese, guys. If you do this recipe, let me know how it comes out in the comments, guys. With that being said, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification button to get notified every time I put out a new video. Also, guys, follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok, like us on Facebook. Guys, don't forget to check out PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the 450s to those bad mothers of rap. And with that being said, guys, I'm going to go finish, yes, I'm going to go eat all three of these. Until next time. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.